Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to the 3M showroom to get a scratch guard for the display. Okay, so we are here. Mini Cooper, that's nice. अरे इसका स्क्रैच गार्ड डालना था रे, और 3M का फिल्म आता ना, वो डालना था इसके ऊपर. लग जाएगा,
बात करना पड़ेगा.
देख लो.
बात करना लग जाएगा.
I need we can just go out. Cooper, yes, so nice. I need this to be, covered with a film so that it doesn't get scratched.
See, but my film, the PPA, that's very hard. You can't do it out over here. It can be done on the metal.
Okay.
The fiber, but not on over this, because once you remove it, if you are going to remove it, there's
Okay.
going to be a adhesive mark.
Okay.
It's going to spoil this thing.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
Because it has a peel-off layer, but it also have a self-adhesive thing.
So then, what do you recommend?
I don't have anything for this thing.
Nothing? Anything that the aftermarket people would have?
You can check out the mobile shop whether they have something the film.
Okay.
Because I don't have any problem placing it.
Okay.
But if you remove it, this may affect the screen.
Oh,
Because it
so
has
on the
a
paint
glue.
it's fine, you
On the
mean?
paint it's fine because
Okay.
you can remove the glue.
Okay, yeah, correct, absolutely.
Okay, it's going to be self-adhesive. There's going to be glue that's going to create a problem.
Oh, really? Okay. So that's a bummer. So there's nothing that can be done about this. So because I've seen people on YouTube getting this done using a 3M tape itself. I mean the transparent tape.
It's not a transparent tape. It's a PPF thing only.
Okay.
See, as I said, I'm making it very clear. Placing is not a problem.
You can do it, but to remove
If
it
you
will be a
remove
bad
it,
thing.
Is going to, because there's going to be an adhesive mark which
Ah.
is going to spoil this thing.
Okay, okay.
I can remove it out over here. I have 10 other ways. I can polish that thing. I can use.
Correct, absolutely, yeah.
I'm able to remove that. But in this, I can't use any of those.
Because this is
solvents
not
to
glass,
make it
this is
clear.
plastic. So if it would be glass, it would also be fine, right?
If it's glass also, I can at least apply some solvent and remove the residue.
Correct. This is
Not
plastic.
the glass. I can't place any of the solvent at all. Otherwise, this entire thing will go off. So what's the use?
No, that makes sense.
So for me, it's business.
No, that's true.
Why should I-
No, thanks, man. I mean, I really appreciate it, man. So, just spoke to the professional here, and that's what he did not recommend me to do because, as he said, it will for sure spoil the display. So here's the place, and it doesn't have a board. The guy would be putting in a board. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't get your name. Jackie. So this is the guy, and you can just come in right here, and you have all these good stuff for bikes. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff here, and I bought this scratch guard. As you guys know, I had gone to 3M, and 3M did tell me that it's not safe to put the 3M tape. So I came here. I got this from the group of there's a group that we have joined for KTM, and there's a guy who put in the information about this shop, and yeah, there's a lot of good stuff here, So okay, they're visors. That's nice. So yeah. Oh, there's some radiator guards also for Dukes, CBR. So guys, looking out for radiator guards, you can look out for some radiator guards here, some visors. These are some handlebar grips, some stickers. Okay, this thing fell. Okay, and yeah, there are many things, so you can come in and have a look for yourself. Okay guys, so there are adapters here. Many of my subscribers were looking out for these things. 1,000 rupees. This is very cheap, guys, to be honest with you, because 1,000 rupees is very cheap. In the market, if you go, you would not get this below 2,000 rupees. And how many this it has patents?
10 plus.
10 plus, so that's good enough. You won't use more than 2, you know that, because I thought 64 would be more than enough, but I guess it was only 2. So there are good power parts here. As you can see, there are many power parts, and the stock will increase gradually. So you guys, if you need anything, can just get in touch. You have a phone number? I'll also upload put your phone a website or anything.
I do.
Great, I'll put in the website also. I needed these. Hey, what's up? I'm back home, so I have got this scratch guard with me. So let me remove this, and first thing what I've done is I've opened up, sorry about the planes, there's an airport close to my house. So yeah, so I've wiped it really nice. Okay, you don't need any dust or anything on the screen before you apply this. Okay, I messed up. Not sure what to do. Remove it. Oh shit. Marina, messed up. That's it. And I got this from a place called as Moto Crazy. You'll get all the description and stuff over here. I'll put it in the description though. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can get back to me by commenting down below. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.